And I'm Vice President of Pin Hit-N-Hitch. Pin has been in business for over 25 years, and we supply over 250,000 drawbar hitching components to the ag industry annually. Our drop pin hammer strap is a standard factory feature on most North American tractors over 150 horsepower. Our drawbars harness the 600 horsepower tractors with this massive Category 5 2 3/4 inch draw pin. We bring parts into Pin, we paint and assemble and ship directly to the tractor assembly lines.
I'm Brian Olson. I'm the farmer inventor of the drop pin hammer strap that's on most large tractors in North America. We took a real critical look at the on-road industry and realized that nobody had really did anything with that industry for the last, say, 100 years. We looked at every component that made up that interface between a truck and trailer and thought, can we do a better job? The first component we looked at was adjustable tubes that you could adjust to get the right trailer height. With these old tubes, you had to take them apart and put them back together. Every bolt in this interface has a clamp load of 12,000 pounds. All four of those bolts are 48,000 pounds. So instead of taking everything apart, those are carriage head bolts. You need a 3/4 inch wrench, you loosen it, you get it to the right height, retighten, and you got 48,000 pounds of clamp load. The other thing that we made different is we laminated so there's no welds in the critical stress area. That was the first improvement we made and the first patent. The second component we looked at was the combo trailer ball rings that have been out there for the last how many years. They always seem to seize up and you have trouble getting them. What we did was we realized that the people don't like using them because of the bump in that connection all the time. What we did, we made ours the same size as a trailer ring, so you cannot tell the difference between a ball hitch and a ring hitch when you use our combo hitch. The next thing we did, we took all the cost out of that and we made a cup basically to center it so that it's aligned, and then we made an automatic lock. When it drops, it's as simple as that. It locks it. You can put a lock in to lock the lock, and to release it, you simply do that to release it. It is the ultimate in simplicity, and you know you've got a winner when you can take out cost and build in features. The next component we looked at that nobody has looked at for forever on trailer rings was a trailer ring that goes on trailers. The holes are not offset. We developed a whole new product. This is a 20-ton one. There's no such animal as a 20-ton ring hitch. We offset it. For a trailer manufacturer, it means less cost because when you get to the bottom, you can turn it over and you get all that adjustment. But the major thing we did, we built in, and everybody is familiar with trailer thefts, and this is a way to prevent them, or help prevent them. We made right into the casting a hole for an integral lock, which is a very cost-effective lock. You go to your local hardware store, buy a padlock with multiple keys, and when it's not in use, you put the padlock in so it's always with the trailer, not lost in a truck box somewhere. Well, that's a dramatic improvement. We have a 10-ton, a 20-ton, and a 30-ton. We have a 12.5-ton, a 20-ton, and a 30-ton. The next thing was safety chains. They always drag. This one's off our trailer. It's dragged once, and it's basically a throwaway. What we did was take one long chain, loop it through the main frame, make sure that hole's big enough for a chain to pass through. We put a chain hook on the other end then a bolt through it at the back, and then we put a snap strap to keep it level. So that safety chain runs level all the time, and to make sure it doesn't drag. So there's multiple improvements we have made on this interface just with these components. 26 years ago as a farmer, I won the most innovative product at the Western Canada Farm Progress Show. We won that gold award again this year for our Hit-N-Hitch product line. I believe Out of the 5 different products, this is likely the most innovative and the product that will be on every trailer in the near future. It is an automatic trailer ball hitch. This is the old trailer ball hitches. This is off my personal trailer. When you go to lower it, the ball jams in there and you got to jack it back up, pull it out. There's numerous parts in it. Even it still jams up. It doesn't ever seem to work. This came with this trailer. The problem with it is you got to remember to lock it. But when you get it on the ball, you have to drive the truck ahead, and if the trailer follows you, you can't lock it down. We have built the ultimate in simplicity of a trailer ball hitch. I don't believe there's any other trailer ball and a hitch in the world that is an automatic lock. When it lowers onto the ball, it basically locks itself down, and you could put in a safety clip, obviously, to lock the lock. Or if you don't want anybody to steal that trailer, you can put in a padlock to keep it locked. What we have done is a recipe for a winner. It is basically, there's 3 parts in it. When the ball lowers onto it, this opens up so the ball can go by the hitch and it'll roll it into the socket. There's only 3 pieces to it. So it's the ultimate in simplicity. We believe we can actually manufacture it more cost effectively than the other designs. We have looked at all the details, even down to most trucks of the future will have a camera on them, and we've made this gold. It will last longer, but more importantly, it is like a target. When you're backing up, you can see that in your rear view mirror to make sure it's over top of the ball. If you use our combo hitches, this will align it and stop it. So it goes back to our philosophy: hit it and you're hitched, automatic. Everything we're doing is an automatic hitch, just like we do for drop pins. I believe this trailer ring hitch will be on all trailers in the very near future, and if you're a manufacturer, you need to be first in line to get this product on your trailers. Our Hit-N-Hitch product lineup as of August 2014, we have a 7-ton Hit-N-Hitch Pinto. We have a 25-ton Hit-N-Hitch Pinto flat mount. We have a 12-ton Hit-N-Hitch Pinto flat mount. It also bolts onto our truck tube. This truck tube is a 12-ton adjustable tube. It is a 10-ton ball ring combo, automatic locking. We also have a 7-ton tube type ball ring combo. We have in August of 2014, we will have our automatic locking trailer ball hitches. We will have a 14,000 pound, and we temper the same one, and it is a 20,000 pound. So we have 2, and they're 2 at 5/16 ball. We have a 30-ton ring hitch with optional trailer lock. We have a 20-ton, never before on the marketplace, 3-hole offset. We have a 2-hole 12.5 ton offset, never another thing like it. We have a farmer's hitch, we call it, that will bolt onto our adjustable tube, and it accepts a drop in, or it's multi-use. You can put 2 trailer balls in it to adjust it. When you turn it over, you have twice the adjustment on our adjustable tubes. We have just a plain truck drawbar that's gold and pretty cost effective. On what is also new with power pin and our ag hitches is our new line of articulating ball hitches that you can adapt to whatever drop-in size that is in the tractor. This is a category 5 with 2 3/4. You can drop it down with a 2-inch ball, or you can adjust it to whatever size tractor is pulling that implement by dropping it into a bushing. And what is also brand new, to make the transition from clevis to rings, we have a clevis ring hitch for implements that makes that transition from the old style clevis hitches to ring hitches seamless for the end user.
facility in Fort Capel, Saskatchewan, we paint and assemble our patented components to make the standardized tractor drawbar assembly. We supply the majority of hammer straps and draw pins that are painted here and shipped directly into Waterloo, Iowa to the tractor assembly plant. PowerPin is also recognized as the Controlled Goods Program through the Government of Canada. This allows us to paint chemical agent resistant coating, better known as CARP. In the past, we have supplied U.S. military springs and have shipped them directly into Afghanistan. PowerPin takes pride in our quality and our service to our customers.